Hello and welcome to PartitionDB's performance comparison video. In this video, we're going to compare between the well-known Microsoft's Northwind database versus the exact same database that was distributed with PartitionDB.
So over here, we have a machine, dedicated machine that's running only this database with this CPU and this much specifications. Let's make sure that the other machine runs exactly the same specs. And as you can see, it's the exact same model with the exact same number of cores and the exact same speed and roughly the same stress on the system. So just to get started, this one here on the left is the normal Northwind database, and this here on the right is the exact same database with the exact amount of data. The only difference is this one on the right is distributed according to PartitionDB's capabilities. As you can see, this is the data amount in this database, and as you can see, it's just a little bit greater than the one on the left, the unmodified one.
Just to give you an idea, let's review the distribution of data in both platforms. On the left, the undistributed Northwind has the same volume of data but is undistributed. On the right, our Northgate has the same volume of data but is distributed on a single instance with the same computational power as we've shown before. We're going to run the exact same stored procedure on both servers to get a basic idea of the performance of these systems.
While the undistributed database on the left has to go over all of the data when performing a query, our distributed design can go over only the relevant data. For this reason, we're going to see a performance difference.
Okay, so that's 5 seconds for the undistributed one and 1 second in our platform. Now we're going to put stress on our systems. For this purpose, we've devised a stress tool that's working asynchronously. As you can see it here, it holds the exact same values in both servers, and it's going to simulate some load on our systems for us. So let's just make sure that the tool is working as intended. We can check it with perfmon just to make sure. And as we can see, the systems are under similar load. And let's see the same stored procedure that we ran before to get a comparison. Under load, the same stored procedure took the distributed design 3 seconds, while the normal undistributed one took 8 seconds. Alright, so the only thing left to do is to stop the stress tool and compare the diagnosis from both outputs. As you can see, if we'll take a look at the diagnose window of our system, we can have a look and see that our system outperformed the undistributed design in every aspect.